Hey guys, so I just wanted to share real quick my most recent repair on my Pontiac G6. We had a problem earlier where when we just barely turned our wheel, there was a loud popping and knocking sound, kind of like these examples. Now, we took our vehicle to a few different shops to get this diagnosed. The first shop we took it to told us that we needed control arms, which this vehicle probably does need control arms, but I don't think that was the source of the problem. So, of course, I went on YouTube and checked out all these other videos and found there's very little videos that showed my exact problem. But the one video I did find was able to display and make the exact sound that we were hearing in those videos. So I landed on it being the intermediate shaft. So that's what I decided to take my focus to. So I went to a few other shops and had them look at the intermediate shaft. I was given a lot more other things that it needed that were completely unrelated and that were pretty much just a shop trying to make money. So I just recently went to another shop and just said straight up, replace the intermediate shaft. I believe this is what's causing my problem. So they went ahead and they took this guy out. This is the intermediate shaft. One end connects to the steering column area, while the other one connects to the steering rack, I believe. You can comment down in the comments whether or not I got that right. I didn't do a lot of research on this because I did not replace it. But after replacing it, we did find that the sound is now gone. The only place the sound is now is actually at the wheels, which indicates I might have a problem with my steering rack, which is not really a surprise to me at all. So what I did was, before we got this replaced, I went ahead and took a video of what it sounded like before, and then what it sounded like after I drove the car home. So you guys can see those examples right now. So just to recap, this is what we're hearing. It does that whenever we initiate a turn. When we continue turning, it doesn't do it. But just when we initiate a turn, left or right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. We just got done getting that replaced. And guess what? You don't hear it anymore. The loud clunking that was up here. Now it seems like we can still hear it on that side. And that would be likely the rack and pinion steering has gone bad in this car as well. But we don't hear that loud knock up at the steering wheel anymore. So there you guys have it. There's a few examples of what it sounds like when an intermediate shaft goes bad. And just to let you guys know, it only cost me about $340 to replace that. I think the part was $216 and the rest was just labor and taxes and whatnot. So it's actually a pretty cheap fix compared to everything else on this Pontiac G6. I found a lot more things that were just through the roof. Like control arms are going to be like $1,000 if I wanted to get it done. Just crazy stuff. But anyhow, if you guys need that fixed, there you are.